Mix together 3/4 a cup of regular granulated sugar and 3/4 a cup of vegetable oil. To that, we will add 1 egg and keep mixing. Here I have buttermilk, vanilla, and red food coloring. Mix them all together. And then in another bowl, I have flour, cocoa powder, salt, and mix those together. The reason I have them in different bowls because I'm gonna alternate adding them to the wet ingredients. I'm gonna put half of the flour first, mix that together. Then we'll go ahead and put all of the buttermilk with the red food coloring mixture. Mix that in. Then we'll add the rest of the flour mixture and mix just until combined. With cake batter, whenever you put the flour in, don't mix it for too long. I like to stop the mixer and go in with a spatula to really scrape the sides of the bowl, but again, don't overmix. Then we have a small bowl with 3/4 a teaspoon of baking soda. To that, we will add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. It will bubble. Mix it quickly and then go ahead and add it to the batter and give it a final quick mix. This is what the cake batter looks like. It's not too thick and not too thin. Bake in a 170 degrees oven for 15 minutes and let it cool completely before you go ahead and enjoy or ice them with cream cheese frosting. Look how gorgeous these cupcakes are. They are so soft, so fluffy. That chocolate flavor comes through and it's still very velvety. Let's move on to the buttercream frosting. We're gonna just make enough for the 12 cupcakes, half a cup of butter, half a cup of cream cheese. Make sure they're both room temperature. We're gonna mix them together until we sift the icing sugar. We're gonna go ahead and sift 4 cups of icing sugar. I'm making a bigger batch, but for the 12 cupcakes, you only need 4 cups. Then add 1/4 teaspoon salt onto the icing sugar mixture. I'm gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl, then I'm gonna go in with the icing sugar, adding 1 cup at a time to the butter mixture. Make sure you wait until the sugar has dissolved before you go ahead and add the next cup of icing sugar. Waiting a few minutes makes all the difference, and it is really what avoids your American buttercream from becoming grainy and gritty. At the end, add half a teaspoon vanilla extract, give it that final mix, and it's done. Look how creamy and delicious it looks, very smooth. You can spread it or pipe it on your cupcakes.